Welcome again, class 9. Today we are going to begin with chapter number 2, latitudes and longitudes. So latitudes, they are the line that run from east to west and they divide earth into two hemispheres, that is the northern and the southern hemisphere. While the longitude, they divide the earth into the eastern and the western hemisphere from the prime meridian. Now talking about the shape of the earth is oblate spheroid or geoid. Now it is caused because of the two things, that is the centrifugal force and the gravity, which gives us the geoid shape or the oblate spheroid shape of the earth. Now when we have to find the exact place on the earth, on the globe, then we have two set of the imaginary lines, latitudes and longitudes. The square that they make, that is known as the Earth's grid system, whereby we can find the location on the globe of any of the country of the world. Let us now try to define the latitude. The latitude of a place is the angular distance of that place north or south of the equator as measured from the center of the earth. So it means the center of the earth is the greatest circle at 0 degree, which is equator, and all the other circles, they are then the small circles. When we go from the equator towards the poles, the length of the latitude, it goes on decreasing both the sides of the hemisphere. Now this is the reason why the latitudes, they are known as the parallels. The another one is that they run in the east to west direction. From equator, which is 0 degree, then the poles, that is towards the north, it would be then the 90 degree north, and towards south it would be 90 degree south. So it would either be written N or S on both the sides. Now in all there are 180 parallels at 1 degree of the interval. So it means 90 are in the north of the equator and 90 in the south of the equator, and only equator is taken as the 0 degree latitude, which is the great circle. So the distance between each latitude is about 111 kilometer, because earth is a sphere, so we take it to be 360 degrees. Then the circumference of the earth is approximately 40,000 kilometers. So when we divide both the figures, 40,000 by 360 degree, so we have the figure 111 kilometer, which is the distance between each degree of the latitude. Then what are the 5 main parallels of the latitude? The first one, that is the equator at 0 degree, divides the earth into 2 equal halves, and then this is the only great circle, rest all the circles, they are the small circles. The rays of the sun throughout the whole year, they fall vertically at the equator, making the place to be very hot. Then we have the Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north latitude. Now this is important because sun is overhead on 21st June, which is the coming date, when it will be the longest day in the northern hemisphere. Then we have the Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degrees south. This is the southernmost limit of the apparent movement, the unreal movement of the sun. Then we have the Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north. Now here these rays of the sun, they are very, very slanting. So it is because of the inclined axis of the earth. So it receives very less amount of the sun rays. So it is winter time period most of the year for this place. Then at 66.5 degrees south, we have the Antarctic Circle. Again, the rays of the sun, they fall extremely slanting over here, making the place to be a very cold one. The top limit, the end limit of both of the poles is 90 degrees south and 90 degrees north.